Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get acorns in Grounded. First, you'll want to locate the towering oak trees scattered across the backyard. Acorns are usually found lying on the ground directly beneath these impressive trees. Keep an eye out for both intact, whole acorns and smaller, broken acorn shell pieces. They are a vital early game resource, so knowing where to spot them is your first crucial step. Once you've spotted some acorns, you'll need the right equipment to harvest them. To break a whole acorn, you'll require a Tier 2 busting tool. Excellent choices include the pebblet axe or the powerful mint mace. Simply equip your preferred tool from your inventory, then walk up to the acorn. You're now ready for the next step in gathering this valuable resource. With your Tier 2 busting tool equipped, it's time to break those acorns. Simply hit the whole acorn multiple times until it shatters. Each large acorn will yield several individual acorn shell pieces, which are the actual crafting components you need. Make sure to collect all the scattered pieces from the ground to automatically add them to your inventory. Don't leave any behind. Acorn shell pieces are incredibly versatile and crucial for your early survival. They are primarily used to craft the sturdy acorn armor set, which provides a significant defense boost against backyard threats. Beyond armor, these pieces are also vital for constructing foundational building elements, such as walls and floors, helping you establish a safe base. Gather plenty to ensure your early game success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.